Common Core State Standards Math, 7th grade, Geometry 1, and we're talking about scale drawings. And this time we don't have a picture, but we do have a scale. And it says to find the scale factor. And so we have the scale of 1 inch, and that's a 1. Inch equals 6 feet. So let's write that as a ratio. 1 inch, ratios have labels, over 6 feet. And we want to know it. What the scale factor is, and so we're going to turn it into inches, and so 1 inch equals 1 inch. So look at it here. We have all the inches here. We have all the feet here, and 1 foot equals 12 inches. So you're going to multiply 6 times 12, and you're going to get 72 inches. And so let's keep that simple. So the scale factor, so that in the same unit, is 1 out of 72. So that is the scale factor. So it's purely just putting it in the same labels or inches. Thank you.